Speak.
Sure.
And the phone hero one where I'm saying someone can the company. Wait up to your office from doctor now.
Okay.
And also Spear, why are you not wearing your mask?
Sorry? Machakudi?
Say you usina kufeka mask yako Spear.
Oh, okay, sendofunga musikuzi yashukitika.
What?
Like indaka vaccinate kwa ndikapiwa first jab ne second jab. Maybe I'm not sure na first status yangu. So there's no need kuti ndipeke mask.
Who told you that? I mean Indiana kataura izvozvo kuti kana munhu avaccinate wachapfeka mask Spear.
See, and it didn't.
Oh wait, you know what? Inini pandiri panapa ndakavaccinate. First and second jabs are kutaura izvozvo. But still I'm wearing my mask. Why?
Zvazvo kutondinetsa why muri kupfeka mask because kana munhu wato vaccinate it means kuti chi hauchabatsirika.
Spear. Being vaccinated doesn't mean kuti hauchabatiri COVID. Yes, right now you're putting everyone at risk. That's why unogara my clients anopinda nepanapa nekubuda nepanapa. You're putting everyone at risk. Please wear your mask. Being vaccinated is not a passport. You do something a mask, okay? We still maintain my COVID regulations, my social distance, and sanitize.
Alright, stop.